What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we're going to do things a little different. We're actually going to react to a couple of different scenarios where people are actually purchasing cars. We're going to listen to their whole deal and kind of break it down. Some of these deals are outrageous. You're not going to believe some of the things these people signed up for.
But I feel like people are not only out of touch with the car market, but just out of touch with the world in general. And having a car payment is a #1 wealth killer, and that you should just buy a $10,000 car instead. But I guarantee you doesn't know what $10,000 actually gets you for a car in today's market. Yes, I get it. No.
See, that's what she wrong at. First of all, like my Camry, I got a 2012 Camry with 150,000 miles on. That car run like new. Even the interior of the car still look good. No chipping, nothing falling apart. Nothing. That car is like perfect. And that car right now, you can probably buy one for like $8,000. So she kind of wrong about that.
No car payment is a flex. But what people don't understand is everyone that's riding around with a paid off car, it means that they paid it off. It means at one point they had a car payment, which there is nothing wrong with that. Having a car payment does not mean you can't afford the car. And I wish people would stop saying that. I think in general, there's a lot of people that give money advice as if it's a linear situation, as if everyone's pockets are set up the same, and that couldn't be further from the truth. In conclusion, I think the only person that can tell you how to spend your money and what to do with it is you. So don't even listen to me. But my money advice...
I mean, it is true. It's based on what you can afford. Don't go out and buy a Mercedes when your car payment going to be $1,600 a month when you make $30,000 a year. All right, guys, now this scenario right here, he's actually calling a customer back that inquired about a McLaren. Let's just listen to this. This is crazy.
Yes, this is Gus with Legacy Motor Cars. I got your email, and I think you want to purchase the McLaren 570, right?
Yes, this is correct.
Okay. Yeah, so I see that you put in a credit app, and I did run a credit. We do have an approval, but I just have a few questions. So you want to trade in your C8 2020 Corvette, right?
Yeah, my 2020 Stingray.
What do you owe on that car?
70K.
7K. All right, give me one second. Let me run some numbers here.
Just got that.
So our offer on the car was like 45, I believe, is what we're willing to give you for the car. It is a 2020. It's a 1LT, and it does have like higher miles. So I mean, yeah, that's where it would be at for your trade.
That's all?
Yeah, because
The 2020 Stingray.
Yeah, man, but you have 70,000 miles on it.
Nothing nowadays.
Yeah, I mean, sort of, but I mean, it's out of warranty. I believe MMR on the car is 43, but given it's tax season, I kind of want to buy it for a little bit more so we can, get you in this 570. How much do you have down for this car, for the McLaren?
I got 20,000 down.
20,000. So the bank's asking. So the bank's asking for 60,000 down. So 20,000 covers a bit of your negative equity, but given your income and your limited credit, it's going to be at least 60 down for the McLaren.
Golly. They want that man to put $60,000 down for a McLaren, bro. That's outrageous, man.
Come on, man. 20 should be enough.
Is that something you can work with?
That's crazy.
I mean, I got 20.
20? Because, I mean, how much is the monthly payment on the Corvette?
With insurance and the car note, around 2,300.
2,300.
Please, well.
We need at least 60,000 down, or do you have somebody with a little bit more income that you can use as a cosigner? Maybe like a family member or something.
Grandma will call.
Grandma?
Maybe figure something out.
Okay. Grandma?
I want that McLaren.
I mean, I'm sure you do, but you got to come up with a little bit more cash as a down payment, or like.
I'll talk to my grandma about cosigning.
Alrighty, sounds good, Robert. Well, if anything changes, man, I'll let you know. I'm gonna try one more bank.
Hey, man,
I'm gonna try with Ally, but
closer to my 20. But anything less than 60, I think 60 is pretty up there.
Yeah, no, for sure. But I mean, at worst case, you just keep the C8, man. That's a great car. The doors don't go up.
I don't know, man. I thought 20,000 would be good enough to get a McLaren.
20,000 on the McLaren,
and trading in a 2020 Stingray sounds pretty good to me.
Yeah, I mean, it does, but it's just not. It's not something I can make happen.
Come on, man. I make good money. Probably make more money than you.
I mean, you may. I'm not sure. I'm not going to disclose that information to you, but I mean, if you make more money than me, man, then just come up with the extra money. You know what I mean? If anything changes, I'll reach back out.
Just had a customer come in who was shopping a third row SUV. Now, of course, I get right to fact finding, what's your current credit? How much were you looking to pay monthly? Where are you trying to be at? She tells me she does not know her credit score. First red flag.
Yep.
This can go one of two ways. You don't know what your credit score is because it's been so long since you used it and it's just high as hell, or your credit score is trash. Now, because she said that she didn't know her score, I was like, let's just do an information application. Let me see where your credit currently stands. She's like, no, I want to shop. I want to see what I like first. I already knew where this was going. Out of respect, I let her shop. I let her decide what car she wanted to do.
Mistake number one, go ahead and get your finances before you go to a dealership. Because you see how they act, man. I would never go into a dealership and let them run my credit. I'm going to always have my finances before I go get the car. That's crazy.
And she found a car. She ended up picking this exact Ford Explorer. Has a third row, plenty of space. She gets back from the test drive. She tells me she loves the car. We get right into the information application. My manager runs her credit, and she's a 477, and she's $10,000 behind on her current mortgage.
What?
And to make everything even better, I asked her, how much money do you have down today? Oh, yeah, I'm going 0 down. At that point, I pretty much lost all hope. I already knew what it was, guys. If your credit's no good, you're not going 0 down on anything, and your interest rate will be high. High interest rate, 9 times out of 10, means higher payment. Just accept it.
All right, guys, we have a customer here buying our Ram TRX. He's in the...
All right, guys. Now, this situation right here, this is actually a YouTuber. I watch his channel. This is a real situation. He actually films all his real deals. His name is George. I'm pretty sure a lot of you probably familiar with him. I watch his channel all the time. It's really, really good content. But this situation right here is a prime example of somebody living outside of their means. And I ain't even gonna talk no more. Just check it out and leave y'all comments.
Showroom right now is a freaking Ram TRX with 64,000 miles on it. This is the deal right now. You're at 15. You want to be $200 less?
30, yeah.
No, what was the max that you said?
How much?
You want to be at 13?
No, he told me 14, in the 1400s in the bill.
Then give us more money down.
That's crazy.
I don't have much anymore.
You don't have much anymore? That's it?
Yeah, I don't want to.
You have 6,000.
We are doing 6,000.
She has 6,000.
I mean, he probably can do the 6,000, yeah.
Okay.
That's for the trade. His pay.
So every $1,000 we take off is about $20. So are you gonna?
And guys, pay attention to his wife. Look at his wife's face. She looked completely confused and looked like, what are we ready to sign up for?
You have to think about it on the price.
Yeah, I mean, I really can't do that. 1400 would be like ideal for me.
1,400 is ideal.
Yeah.
What if it was like, I don't know. What if it was like 15, 20? Minus $9 off. What if we took $9 off the payment?
I mean, I don't know, because I'm still gonna have.
So I'm gonna ask a question. Is it 1,400 the max, or gonna be in the 1,400s? Like is it 1,480? Let's say.
Mistake number one is he's negotiating a payment. You need to be talking about the price of the vehicle. It already has 60,000 miles on it. And look at his wife, guys. Pay attention to his wife's face.
Yeah, that's fine.
1,480.
Because I still have to pay insurance for the car.
So 14.
I already
So you're
checked
talking
like
about
$400 too,
$40.
so.
You're talking about $40 a month.
You say $400?
We realize that 1,480 to 1,520 is like $40. That's all you're talking about. It's not like you're changing your payment by a lot. So if you're okay with 1,480, what's the difference at 1,520? Clearly,
Like I said,
$1.25
I know that, but like I said, I'm gonna pay insurance like $400 insurance for the truck. So
400.
it's like me gonna be paying like $2,000 a month for the car. So I mean,
Yeah, but again, it's $40. You're talking like from 1,520 to 1,480 is $40. You're buying an 80 grand truck, 70 grand truck.
Now, you can't be mad at the dealers. You can't be mad at George and them. They just doing what they do. They there to sell cars. This guy obviously ready to make a bad financial decision. They went from $1,400 to $1,500. Now you talking about $400 for insurance. This is outrageous, bro. This is crazy.
right. So
Ain't no way. Look at his wife.
it's up to you.
It's
your dream truck. And then you could always refinance.
And plus, you don't know the insurance for sure yet. How about you call the insurance and find out?
No,
what
I
it
did
is?
already made a
did
quote
already?
with it. It's like 450 or something.
With which? Who's the company?
They about to
Progressive?
get
Did you shop around? Progressive is one of the most expensive companies in the United
Progressive
States.
is the one I have with my car.
Yeah, they're one of the most expensive insurance companies. You know that, right?
Good, bro.
There's a
Which one
lot
is the cheapest?
cheaper. Cure is cheaper.
Yeah, but Cure doesn't do New York, but he could do Geico.
Geico's cheaper.
Yeah, Geico.
There's a lot of companies that are cheaper
Don't
than
matter.
Progressive.
Yeah, I've been shopping around. I only did
Yeah,
Progressive.
so you might shop around the insurance. You might as well save your money there
That's crazy. Don't
because you're
do
definitely
it.
gonna save money on the insurance.
You bickering over
$450 sounds
$40.
a little steep. You might get $350 or $300, so that would make your payment where you want it to be.
Yeah, there's not much we could do on the price.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's not the.
You want to see if you can save some money on your insurance?
I could do that now. I mean,
Why don't you have them call a couple companies, see if you can get them cheaper?
You want to try it now?
Because I'm sure
Okay.
you can get cheaper than
All right,
Progressive.
let's see if we can try it now.
thank you, George.
All right, man, no problem.
See, now he fighting for a way to make it work. Obviously, this car is too much for him. Anytime he gonna base buying this car off lowering his insurance. Now, I understand you can balance it too. Sometimes that does make a difference. But when you talking about $1,400 and $1,500 a month for a truck, and he didn't take gas and maintenance, them TRX trucks are very expensive to maintain. If y'all don't know, the TRX has the Hellcat engine in it. This dude about to sign his life away, man.
All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, you close the deal? We're good? Let's go, baby.
Appreciate it,
Let's
George.
go.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Let it get
Insurance
done,
was
but they
$200?
do
You
what they
saved
do.
the day?
$250.
You closed the deal? You closed it? Let's go, Suhail.
Ain't no way.
So my whole entire life, I always bought cars that were salvage, right? And I never had a car payment ever. Except for this year, I got in a car accident. I was like, oh, let me go get a new car. So I decided to get the Lexus IS 350F Sport. And I was like, yeah, I could pay for it. Why not? Lo and behold, the payments are $800 and something. So I just
Oh,
rounded up and I
man.
pay $900 a month. Not only do I pay $900 a month, but my insurance used to be $360. And so I hit up State Farm and I was like, hey man, it's a little high, you know what I'm saying? Luckily we did a little family package and I'm only paying $240 for insurance. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting a nice car, make sure you can afford it. And trust me, you're gonna miss driving around in that 1996 Camry because I sure as hell do.
And there it is, guys. Now, this lady right here, she just made another bad decision. There you go, juggling the insurance. Sometimes that does make a difference because you give and you take, but that other guy with the TRX, he obviously couldn't afford that truck. And the way things are going right now in the world, man, I think everybody should just stay put, don't buy nothing. Do not buy anything that's going to depreciate. So leave your comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think. This is something a little different, especially the guy with the TRX. Personally, if I was there with him, I would have told him to walk away. Walk away. Obviously, right now is not the time for you to have that truck. Leave your comments, guys. I'm going to keep these videos rolling. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.